Can you guess the Italian brain rot animal, you monkey? Which of these animals is Scimpanzini Bananini? There he is. Where is it in this picture? Lirili larila. Yeah, that's him. Like the video or else Tung Tung Sahur dies. Tell me, where is Bombardiro Crocodilo? That's him. Where is Ballerina Cappuccina? There's that brain rot. Tag a friend who looks like a chimpanzini. Where is it in this picture? Boneca Ambalabu. Yup, there he is. Where is Tralalero Tralala? That's him. Follow and like, or Tung Tung Sahur eats you. Tell me, where is Tung 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 Sahur? Yeah, that's him. Where is Apu Capu Cappuccino Assassino? Yup, there he is.